Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in our last class we have discussed about the concept of exercise 5.1. So today we'll be practicing some questions based upon this exercise. So let's start with the first question, students. First question is, this is the triangle PQR and in this triangle D is the midpoint of the side QR. Okay students, you mean that D is the midpoint of the side QR means QD is equals to DR. Okay, it means that D is dividing the complete side into two equal parts. Okay, that is QD and DR. Okay students, so firstly we have to tell PM side. This side PM, this is what? Have a look students, this side PM, this is joining the vertex of the triangle with the opposite side of the triangle. So this is an altitude. Okay students, this is an altitude. Alright students, so this PM side is the altitude. Okay, the next students, PD is, what is PD? PD, this is also a side that is joining the vertex of the triangle with the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle. इन दोनों में बेसिक डिफरेंस क्या है? जो ऑल्टीट्यूड था उसने वर्टेक्स को साइड के किसी भी पॉइंट से ज्वाइन कराया और मीडियन के अंदर क्या फ़र्क होगा? दिस PD. ओके, इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? इसने इस वर्टेक्स को साइड के मिड पॉइंट के साथ ज्वाइन कराया. सो जो उसके मिड पॉइंट के साथ ज्वाइन कराएगा उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? मीडियन. ओके, मिड पॉइंट, मीडियन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज मीडियन. Alright students, now you have to tell, is QM is equals to MR? That is this side equal to this MR? Have a look students, it is very clear from the figure that QM is this much, okay, and MR is that much. But we know that D is the midpoint, so it clearly says that M will not be the midpoint of the side QR, so this is not possible. So no, QM is not equal to MR as D is the midpoint of QR. Alright students, because D is the midpoint of QR. Okay students, looking at the next question students, draw the rough sketches for the following. So you have to draw the rough sketch. First part, in triangle ABC, B is the median. Okay students, so we have to make a triangle ABC. Okay, A, B and C. Now we have made a triangle. Okay, the rough sketch of the triangle. In this students, BE is the median. Okay, so B is something that is joining the vertex B with some E, where E is the midpoint of AC, which is the opposite side of this vertex. Okay students, so A is the midpoint of AC, so when you are joining B with E, it is the median. So BE is the median students. So this is the rough sketch of this first statement. Okay, look at the second part students. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitude of the triangle. Okay students, now we have to draw the triangle in which its sides itself are the altitude. Okay students, have a look. In this, make a right angle triangle because we have to make the altitude, two altitudes. For example students, in this triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes, right? So this is forming the 90 degree. So two sides concerned or connected with the right angle will be these sides, that is PQ and PR. Okay students, PQ and this PR. These are the altitudes of the triangle. Okay students, looking at the third question students, in triangle XYZ, किसी भी triangle XYZ में YL is the altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Have a look students. अब हमें triangle XYZ में कोई ऐसा altitude बनाना है जो triangle में नहीं है बल्कि उसके बाहर है. Okay students, और क्या बनाना है? YL. तो मतलब कोई ऑल्टीट्यूड निकल तो रहा है y से, ओके, लेकिन L कोई पॉइंट है वो ट्राइंगल के अंदर नहीं है, वो ट्राइंगल के बाहर है, ओके स्टूडेंट्स. देन let this triangle, let it be y, x and z. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब हमें y l ऑल्टीट्यूड बनाना है, मतलब y इसके ऑपोजिट साइड के साथ इसको ज्वाइन करा रही है, राइट, और बाहर करा रही है ना, तो इसको l लीजिए. अब y l क्या हुआ, एक एक्सटीरियर ऑल्टीट्यूड हुआ इस ट्राइंगल का. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्लियरली y l बाहर बन रहा है ट्राइंगल के, सो दैट इज बाय y l इज द एल्टीट्यूड दैट इज जॉइनिंग द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, looking at the next question students, the question number 3. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and the altitude of the isosceles triangle can be the same. Okay, so you have to draw the isosceles triangle first, in which the two sides are equal. Now draw the altitude and the median. Can these two be same? So for example student, if there is a altitude which is meeting the opposite side at the midpoint of that side students, then it clearly see it is also the median of the triangle. Basically अगर मैंने इस वर्टेक्स से कोई एक ऑल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ किया और वो ऑल्टीट्यूड बाय चांस उसका मिड पॉइंट निकला, ओके, तो वो क्या होगा, उसका मीडियन भी होगा ना. सो दैट इज बाय, सो ए बी सी इज द ट्राइंगल, ओके, and S is the midpoint of the opposite side BC. Then this is the altitude and this is the median itself also. Okay students, so in this question we are clearly saying that yes, median and altitude can be the same if S is the midpoint of side BC. Have a look students, we have clearly said that this AS can be the median and it can be the altitude if this S is the midpoint of the side BC. Okay students, so this is all about the exercise 1. In the next class we'll be going to discuss the next exercise concept. Okay students, have a nice day, all of you, bye bye, we'll meet in your next class.